Dirt Cheap Motorsports is the perfect place to go for when you want 2, 3, or even 4-wheeled adventures. But you don't care about the name tag or the brand identity. You just want something cheap. It's just outside of the hustle of town on your way to the North Georgia mountains. I recently got a 125cc mini dirt bike for under $1,500. Many of their vehicles come standard with a limited manufacturer's parts warranty on the engine for 2 years, and this is one of the few shops I've seen offering this. A lifetime warranty for a monthly fee. That makes for a pretty sweet deal for all your kids' toys. Okay, and also for yourself. I wouldn't say there's exactly a waiting area, but there is a little shop to look around, and with the window for you to pay. You can get your new purchase towed, but it's with limited availability, and possibly for a fee depending on how far you are. The shop owner is a jack of all trades here. He's the man who fixes your bike and the one who'll do the delivery too. After you've gotten your dirt cheap bike, ride on over to the motorcycle-themed coffee shop just 30 minutes away.